back to Minds On. We are talking all about colors and sounds, and we learned the sound. That's an sound like a pirate. So what color starts with Did you say red? Ha! I knew you knew it. Red. Just like we did a color card for black, we're going to do a color card for red. But before we start, did you notice something in the video? All of those things were red, but they were different shades of red. Do you know that red can be in all different shades? And when you use kind of the same color and all of the different shades, you create something called a monochromatic drawing. I know Mrs. Mann's going to cover that, but monochromatic drawing is just a fancy way of saying I made my picture in the same color, but different shades of it. So I want you to look around and I want you to see if you have different shades of red. If you don't, no worries. But I went to a marker. It's going to be different than a Sharpie. And I've got some crayons. And this one says red-orange, booyaka. And this one says scarlet. So I know that they are different shades of red. So we're going to create an info board by putting the word red at the top. Red. Are you ready? Red. Done. Got it. All right, you might take some time to do your red, but I thought it would be really cool to write it in all different shades all through the paper. So I'm going to use my next shade, red. Okay. My next shade, ooh, it's hard for me to write upside down, but I'm trying my best. Red. And my last shade. Ooh, I like that shade of red. So much so, boom. Do you see that? Red, 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 red. All different shades. And then in the video, it gave you some ideas of things that are red. So I'm going to start drawing some things. Can you think of 1, 2, 3, 4 things that are red? And try to use the proper shade. So my red pepper wasn't exactly deep, deep red. It was more of an orangey red. So I'm going to pick my red orange for my pepper. Now my cherries, on the other hand, look more like a deep, deep red. So you need to decide about which red you're going to choose to make your 4 things that are red. I cannot wait to see your beautiful work. Happy Minds On! See you soon!